Hello, so este video nomás es un video para ayudarles con lo que tienen que hacer para martes. We will review what we looked at on Friday, what we learned on Friday, and I will also be explaining to you your steps on what to do for Tuesday, okay? So first we go here, go all the way to the top. So on Friday we read a book called The White House, and we used this book to learn about to have. For to have, we learned how to change it in present tense, depending on the noun or pronoun. And we learned how to change it into past tense. We also learned two words, compare and contrast. Compare means comparar. Contrast just means what is different, que es diferente. So for one of your assignments, step 2, you're going to compare your house with the White House. And this Google slide will also be available to you on Schoology if you need to look back at it. Okay? So, before I show you some examples on how to do your second step, I want to first show you what you need to do in the beginning. So your first step, you're going to watch a video and answer the questions. You click on this link and it'll take you to this video. Okay? There are 11 questions that you need to answer. You will write your score right here. Okay, so if I answered 7 right out of 11, I'm gonna write it like that. Okay, so write your score right here on the video. Then you move on to writing. So it says in part A, it says write 3 complete sentences about things that are the same from your house to the White House. So 3 frases o 3 oraciones. Comparando sus casas con la Casa Blanca, y en esta parte vamos a ver qué tienen en común. So, for example, cuando estamos hablando de cosas que tienen en común, vamos a usar and y vamos a usar also. So my example says, the White House has a garden and my house also has a garden. En español sería, la Casa Blanca tiene un jardín y mi casa también tiene un jardín. And this is what you will use for your sentences, okay? Use this sentence structure to help you. And you're going to write 3 sentences like that. Part B says 3 complete sentences about things that are different, diferente. So for this one, voy a usar esta frase. The White House has, but my house has. Okay? Y aquí está mi ejemplo. The White House has 6 levels, but my house has 3 levels. En español sería, la Casa Blanca tiene 6 niveles, pero mi casa tiene 3 niveles. Y esta es la frase que vamos a usar cuando estamos hablando de cosas que no tienen en común. Okay? So aquí van a escribir sus frases y después lo van a leer en voz alta y van a grabar lo que leen. Okay? Ese es el último paso, que van a grabar sus frases. Entonces van a ir aquí en step 3. And it's called Vocaroo. Y los va a llevar los va a llevar a esto. Se ve así. Whoops. Okay, so when you are ready to record, you're going to record your sentences. Read your sentences out loud. When you are done, you hit stop. And then you can listen to your recordings. Okay, so when you are ready, it works. And if you don't like what you hear, you can redo it. If you do like what you hear, you click save and share. And this is the important part. I want you to give me this link. So you're going to copy. Van a presionar ese botón, copy, and paste. Right here. Paste. Aquí lo van a poner. Así yo puedo escuchar sus grabaciones. Y ese es el último paso. Si tienen preguntas, me pueden mandar un mensaje por Schoology o me pueden mandar un correo electrónico. También está Ms. Reyes, le pueden mandar a ella un mensaje en Schoology o también le pueden mandar un mensaje por correo electrónico. And that's just it. Have a good rest of your week and I'll see you on Friday.